Hey, welcome back to another new video of my dream CA. In this video we are going to talk about visitor visa for Canada. In this video we cover that how you can get visa, which document or what the required for get visitor visa in Canada. End of this video we are going to talk that how to extend or renew the visitor visa from Canada. So let's begin. So introduction of these videos. Visitor visa allow to foreign national to visit Canada for tourism, business meeting, or visit family or friend. There are 4 criteria to get a visitor visa, and the visa is issued for a specific period of time and the certain conditions. Eligibility criteria: you need 3 things before you apply for visitor visa: valid passport, insufficient fund, valid reason, or visit. So valid passport. Applications must have a valid passport that does not expire during their intent stay in Canada. So remember that your passport have 1 or 2 year expiration date before you trying to apply for visit visa in Canada. Sufficient fund. Applications must have enough fund or support themselves during their stay in Canada, including accommodations, transportations, and other expenses. Valid reason for visits. Applications must have a valid reason for visiting Canada, such as tourism, business meetings, or visiting friend or family, or another family's ceremonies like something married. Applications process. So at first we need to fill out the online form, then pay the applications fee, and then submit the required documents they need. When your application were approved, or when they need something more, they will knock you in your application space. Required document: valid passport, proof of financial support, travel itinerary, and letter of invitation if applicable. If someone inviting you to visit Canada, so you need to show them your invitations. What is next? Biometrics for appointment. So when you try to apply for visiting visa for Canada, you need to give them your biometrics. So before you give them biometric, you have to book and schedule from PFAs or their visas official website. Attend the scheduled biometrics appointment at the designated locations. Provide your fingerprint by placing your finger on the scanner. Have your photograph taken by the staff. So then take your fingerprints as biometrics and your photos. Processing time for visitor visas. Processing time for visitor visa applications can vary depending on several factors. The volume of applications being processed at the time of submissions can affect processing time. Other factors such as complexity of the applications and the need of additional documents also impact processing time. On average, processing time for visitor visa applications ranges from a few weeks to several months. The application fee and payment that you need to pay them, that's the 100 Canadian dollar before you apply for the visas you have to pay. Visa interview. The requirement: they should take interview for your visas. Scheduling an interview, preparing for the interview, attending the interview. So scheduling interview: contact the Canadian Embassy and Consulate to schedule an interview appointment. Provide the necessary document and information requested during scheduling process. Preparing for the interview: gather all documents like supporting documents such as passport, visa applications, financial statements. Research and familiar with the process of your visit, place your plan to visit, and your accommodation arrangement. Practice answering common interview questions and to be prepared. Provide honest and accurate response to get approval of your visas. Attending the interview: arrive the embassy or consulate at a time, dress appropriately for the interview, answer all questions truthfully, and provide any additional information or document requested by the interviewer. Maintain and polite and the respectful demeanor throughout the interview. And there is something: the travel to Canada. Entry requirement, visa applications process, custom producers. Travel Canada with a visitor visa, you will need a valid passport, completed applications form, and proof of fund to support your stay. Applications process, you already know. The custom procedure: Upon arrival in Canada, we'll need to go through the customs and immigration before prepared for present your passport, visa and any supporting documents. It is important to declare any goods or item that you are bringing with you from into your country. So here is the extension and renewal process when you are staying in Canada with a visiting visa. At first, the eligibility for the criteria currently in Canada with a valid visitor visa intend to leave Canada at the end of the extended or renewed period, have not violated any immigration law or conditions. Applications process. Submit applications to extend or change non-immigrant status from IMM 5708. Pay the application fee including supporting documents and wait for the decision from immigration and refugees citizenships of Canada. Required documents. Here you can saw the required documents. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand that how to visiting visa work and how you can extend your visiting visa when you are staying in Canada. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel for more video like this.